Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the Look for Less challenge that is hosted by Yami from Latina Next Door and Natalie from Design to the Nines. These two ladies are absolutely amazing. They're so creative and so talented, and on their channel you will definitely find great inspiration and great ideas. So go ahead and check out their channels. I'm gonna have them linked in the description box down below. So I saw on a Pottery Barn website this beautiful platter or mini tray for Valentine's Day, but I was not going to pay $24 for this. I knew I would be able to recreate this for way less. So I remembered that I have this tray that I actually bought a few months ago for a challenge that I did on my channel. It was the bathroom vignette winter challenge, and then since then this kind of started peeling off. I actually purchased this from a thrift store for $2.99, so it was already used and it did a great job for 2 months, but now it started to peel off, so I knew I wanted to do something with this. It turned out to be a perfect project for this challenge. So I first sanded a little bit the areas where the silver paint was peeling off, and then I cleaned it with a cloth. Next, I am using my Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white color. Probably for this color-wise would be better to use the spray paint, but honestly I like chalk paint. I like the matte finish on it, and I also like that it sticks to anything. So I did 2 coats on it and everything was covered. At this point, I wish I had those Dollar Tree black letter stickers that I could just stick on the tray, but I didn't have them. I had these, however. Unfortunately, I didn't have 2 X's, so what I did is that I took 1 X and 1 O, and then I stuck them on a tray, and then I traced it over, and that's how I created the letters XOXO. And then I took my craft paint in a color black and I filled out the letters. So after I was done painting the letters, I let it dry, and then for me at this point that was it. I knew I could have added a Mod Podge on the top to protect the surface, but knowing myself and being a DIYer, I knew I would use this tray for this season, for Valentine's Day, and then after that I will probably recreate it into something else. So I left it the way it is. I'm really happy the way it turned out. I think it looks even better than the one on a picture because all the texture that this tray has. And I, of course, am not going to use it for food because of the paint on it. I will use it as I shown over here for maybe packaged chocolate like Hershey Kisses or anything like that, or just a tray on a nightstand or something like that, or like this on a background in my kitchen. I hope you liked this project. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Thank you, Yami and Natalie, for hosting this challenge. I was so happy to be able to participate. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.